Pete, the public works director, deserves a good night's sleep. Startled, Pete awakens from a bad dream with an ominous feeling. Pete is notified that many of his AMI data collectors are offline after last night's ice storm. Extreme weather events can do real damage to your AMI fixed network data collectors. Water bills are due tomorrow. Pete must face his biggest fear. What is it? He must climb the 200-foot radio tower to get the data collectors back online. Yikes. Heart pounding. Many thoughts go through his head.
I hope I have the right repair parts for this. Am I almost there?
No. Only halfway.
I wish I would have purchased a network as a service agreement. This would be someone else's problem. Why didn't I buy an ORION Cellular AMI solution by Badger Meter?
Pete awakens and realizes that it was all just a bad dream. The Styles Company helped Pete's water utility install an ORION Cellular AMI solution a few years ago. Pete continues to optimize his water utility business processes with Beacon AMA software. Guess who's going back to bed? This guy. ORION Cellular uses the existing cellular network. Leave the climbing to the pros. Network as a service is a standard part of the ORION Cellular AMI solution. Try ORION Cellular AMI on your 10 most important water meters today. Call us at 781-769-2400 to learn more. We are here to help.